Bocopina, Bocopina, Bocopina. Missy Bocopina.
You look good, you look sexy, you look fresh. You what? How is she 34? Wait, what? How? Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to talk about a little bit about working out at home, and I'm going to get into my waist training. So I've been waist training for about 2 weeks now. I've been doing it every day, and I've been doing it for about 4 to 6 hours every day. I know that's not a lot, but yeah, I've been doing that just to help with working out and just to give my back some support while I'm lifting weights, and it also kind of just helps to shape the tummy right now. So it's kind of going good so far. I've got one that I've got from Amazon. I might leave a link below, or just a link to any normal waist trainer you guys can try out, but I'm going to be selling some soon, so if you guys would be interested in that, please don't forget to comment down below. But I love lifting weights at home, as you guys know. If you've been following me, I like working out at home because that's the only option I have right now. I do not have the money or the time to do anything else because I've got 3 kids and I wanted to stay fit and toned at home. So I'm trying my best to get all the equipment I need in my house. So you guys can also do that too if you're in the same predicament as me. It's good to use these resistant bands because I like the effect of activating my glutes. And let me tell you, these will give your glutes the activation you need. They burn so much. They have my glutes on fire, but I will do like 100 of these and I'll definitely feel it. But always make sure that you get some rest and then you start over again. Get some rest and start over again, and that's a great way to activate your glutes at home. I like using my resistant bands because they help to tone the butt, and I'm doing this new way to exercise. Don't be scared to work out at home. It does help a lot to stay active, keep your heart racing, sweating. Everything you want you can do at home. Don't worry about the gym. Leg raises is also one of my favorite because they work on hip dips. I got a little bit of those. They're kind of going away now, which is good, but I like doing these. And one of my favorite ways to stay fit at home, of course, is yoga. I've been doing yoga now for 2 years and I'm getting better and better every day. And I'm not perfect, but I'm trying my best to, do this carefully, and I'm doing it for the meditation purposes as well, not just for poses or anything too drastic, because I'm on a spiritual journey and this was the first thing that I've ever done that got me back into shape after having my 3rd child. But yeah, I love yoga and it's one of the things that helps me to de-stress, to relax and to tone up. But it definitely helps toning my core. This is what I'm working on right now. So I'm doing a lot more yoga at this moment while I'm using my waist trainer, but I haven't got a waist trainer on in this video. Next, I'm going to go into some leg and glutes workout, and I do this a lot. You can do squats anywhere, anytime at home. I really like doing them and like switching it up. I went from squats to now loving these ones. You guys know these really help to lift the glutes. If you want that lifted butt that's round, keep doing these, and it's even better if you have resistant bands or ankle weights. But I'm showing an easier version for you guys to try at home because not everybody has any equipment like that, but you can still do these at home without any equipment and they will still work. Next, I'm going to go into another type of exercise that I want you guys to try out. Everybody knows lunges, and lunges do work, but these are the splits ones. The split Bulgarian split squats are so good. And don't forget to lift heavy if you haven't been doing it already. It's a new thing. You must see everybody doing it out there now, guys, because it does work. It does work no matter how small or heavy the weight is. As long as you're doing it properly, you will see the results. And I like doing deadlifts. They seem like they're not doing anything, but trust me, they are. Once you're squeezing them glutes, you are doing something. Trust me. and sometimes the heavier the better, so that your body and the muscles can not get used to one type of weight. So the more heavy you lift at different times, it'll be great for you. But do as your body can manage, guys. Do not push yourself too far if you're not ready for it. But that's it for now, guys. I hope that this video was kind of helpful. I always stay fit at home. I know that a lot of people out here are getting surgery and stuff, but just keep fit, keep toned, keep your mind right. Do not follow what other people are doing. Everybody's on their own journey. Remember that. Bye, guys.
Like a stir fry, whip it in the kitchen, wrist